Best Performance Cars for 2024, 2023 Cadillac CT5-V. Best Performance Cars for 2024, a sneak peek. As the automotive world races into 2024, performance car enthusiasts have much to look forward to. From groundbreaking technology to heart-pounding power, this year's lineup promises to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Among the standout contenders is the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V, which has been making waves for its exceptional blend of luxury and performance. 2023 Cadillac CT5-V, a closer look. The 2023 Cadillac CT5-V has quickly emerged as a top choice for those seeking a high-performance sedan with a touch of luxury. This car is not just about straight-line speed, it embodies a holistic approach to driving pleasure. The CT5-V is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces 360 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque, ensuring that it can hold its own against some of the fiercest competitors in the segment. One of the highlights of the CT5-V is its magnetic ride control, which adjusts the suspension settings in real time to provide an optimal balance between comfort and handling. This technology, coupled with an electronic limited-slip differential, enhances the vehicle's agility and responsiveness, making it a joy to drive on both winding roads and open highways. Inside, the CT5-V doesn't disappoint either. It features a luxurious interior with premium materials and advanced technology, including a high-resolution infotainment system and a host of driver assistance features. The attention to detail in the cabin design, from the ergonomically designed seats to the high-quality finishes, underscores Cadillac's commitment to providing a premium driving experience. Other notable performance cars for 2024. While the Cadillac CT5-V shines brightly, it is by no means the only performance car capturing attention this year. The 2024 lineup includes a variety of vehicles that cater to different tastes and preferences. Porsche 911 Turbo S, renowned for its blistering acceleration and precise handling, the latest iteration of this iconic sports car continues to set benchmarks in the segment. BMW M3 Competition, combining aggressive styling with a powerful 3.0-liter inline-six engine, the M3 Competition remains a favorite among enthusiasts who crave performance and practicality. Chevrolet Corvette Z06, with its naturally aspirated V8 engine, the Z06 offers a thrilling driving experience that harks back to the golden age of American muscle cars. Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series, this track-focused beast delivers extreme performance, thanks to its 720 horsepower engine and advanced aerodynamics. Conclusion. The 2024 performance car market is diverse and exciting, with options ranging from luxury sedans to hardcore sports cars. The 2023 Cadillac CT5-V stands out as a versatile choice that combines luxury and performance seamlessly, making it a worthy consideration for anyone in the market for a high-performance vehicle. Whether you're a fan of German engineering, American muscle, or luxury sedans, there's a performance car in 2024 that's sure to ignite your passion for driving.